Hello guys, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example under vectors. So given that a point E divides the line segment PQ internally in the ratio 1:2. So let us draw here a line segment PQ, and a point E divides this line segment in the ratio 1:2. And R is any point not on the line PQ. So let us mark here a point and name this point as R. Now let us join the line segment R and Q. And given that F is a point on QR, so let us mark a point F on the line QR, and it divides this line segment in the ratio 2:1. Then we have to show that EF is parallel to PR. And now let us consider the length of the vector OP as P bar and OQ as Q bar, and similarly the length of the vector OR as R bar. So given that the point E divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2 internally, so in our previous video we have already learned the formula that if a point divides the line segment in the ratio m:n, then the vector OE is given by m into the vector OQ plus n into the vector OP divided by m plus n, where the values of m and n are 1 and 2. So let us substitute here the values. So we get here 1 into OQ and its value is Q bar plus n into the vector OP, which would be 2 into P bar divided by m plus n, which would be 1 plus 2. That implies we get here the vector OE is equal to 2P bar plus Q bar divided by 3. Now let us consider this as equation 1. And also given that a point F divides the line segment QR in the ratio 1:2. So by applying the same formula, we get the value of the vector OF as m into the vector OR plus n into the vector OQ divided by m plus n. That implies by substituting the values, we get the value of the vector OF as 2R bar plus Q bar divided by 3. Now this is our equation 2. So we have to prove that the line EF is parallel to PR. That is, if two lines are parallel, then it must satisfy the condition A bar is equal to T into B bar, where T is any scalar. So let us find here the value of PR first. So first let us find the value of the vector PR. So we can find this value just by subtracting OP from OR. So on substituting the values, we get here the value of the vector OR as R bar minus the vector OP, which is P bar. So this is the value of the vector PR. Now let us consider this as equation 3. Now let us find the value of the vector EF. So we can find this value just by subtracting the vector OE from OF. So from equation 2 and 1, by substituting the values of the vector OF and OE, we get 2R bar plus Q bar divided by 3 minus of 2P bar plus Q bar divided by 3. So by taking the LCM as 3, we get the numerator terms as 2R bar plus Q bar minus 2P bar minus Q bar. So we can cancel over here plus Q bar and minus Q bar. And by taking 2 as a common factor from the remaining terms, we get here 2 into R bar minus P bar whole divided by 3. So from the equation 3, observe that the value of R bar minus P bar is the vector PR. So we get here 2 by 3 into the vector PR, which is the value of the vector EF. So we observe that this is in the form of the condition A bar is equal to T into B bar, where the value of T is 2 by 3. So as it satisfies the condition, we can say that EF is parallel to PR. So this is how we solve an example under vectors. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website, Vitish Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.